Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay. So in today's lecture, we are going to be discussing about ad extensions or ad assets. Previously, it was called ad extension, but nowadays it has called ad assets. Okay. So we are in the official documentation of Google about assets. So let's read what they say about assets. Assets are content pieces that make up your ad with useful business information, giving people more reasons to choose your business. Assets include the headlines, descriptions, links to a specific parts of your website, call buttons, location information, and more that come together to make up the eventual ad format that is shown to a user. How they work. To maximize the performance of your responsive search ad, Google Ads selects which additional assets to show in response to each individual search on Google. For that reason, it's a good idea to use all the assets relevant to your business goal. By adding more content to your ad, assets like site links and images give your ad greater visibility and prominence on the search result page. That means you tend to get more value from your ad. Assets often increase your total number of clicks and can give people additional interactive ways of reaching you, as with maps or calls. Many asset types require a bit of setup. Those are manual. Some assets are added automatically. When Google Ads predict they will improve your performance, those are automated and do not need any setup. So there is no cost to add additional asset to your campaign. Clicks on any asset in the field add on the headline, site link, image, and more will be charged as usual. The exception is clicks on seller ratings, which are not charged. So you are charged a click when someone calls you from a call icon on your final, or when someone downloads your app by clicking on the app rendered on your final ad. Google Ads charges no more than 2 clicks per impression for each ad and its assets. Okay, so they have given us headlines and description ideas about it, so you can read it. Okay, and they have given us some instruction how to select additional assets to use. Keep these best practices in mind as you choose and set up your assets. Use every assets relevant to your business. Assets are free to add, and they will only show if they are predicted to improve your ads performance. Consider adding 4 or more asset types. For example, you could add site links, call out, images, and one additional asset of your choice. If it makes sense for your business, create assets at higher account level, for example, at the account or campaign level when available. Okay, so how to remove assets? So they have given us some instruction about how to remove assets and how to turn off account level automated asset. Okay, so I will share this doc file in the video description so that you can study further about assets in our Google Ads. Okay, so this was the theoretical part about assets or ad extension in our Google Ads. Okay, so hopefully you have a clear understanding on it, and in next video we'll see how we can practically add assets in our Google Ads campaign. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, you can subscribe our channel. Yeah, so you have a good day. Bye bye.